Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. I'm sure you're here because you are interested in the world of PR and communication. But you want to know where you can kickstart your career from. And guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best college in India which is making waves in the PR industry and why they are best in our country. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Imagine a room full of CEOs and MDs and top decision makers from India's leading PR firm, all under one roof. Sounds like a dream, right? And if you are a student who is interested to make their career in the world of communication and PR, this is the best place to be in to know how the industry functions. So first, let me tell you about this event, which is Praxis, India's biggest communication and public relations summit. And guys, if I tell you the institute I'm talking about, School of Communication and Reputation, made it possible for the whole batch, their current batch, to be working for this mega event. Yes guys, it's an hands-on practical learning and the best place for the student to network. And that's how SCORE stands out to be one of the best institute for public relations. So if you guys are wondering that what these students are doing at such a big event, because still they are a student, right? So let me tell you, they were doing it all. They were working overnight to arrange everything for more than 6,000 attendees. They are meeting the guests, welcoming them, doing the live tweets for the event. So yes, managing the whole social media, which is an amazing learning experience. Also guys, let me tell you one more thing. There is a biggest myth that PR is all about writing. It's much more than that. It's about communication strategy, storytelling, and knowing how to connect with your audience and fulfill your client's demand as well at the same time. These students were learning it all while doing certain things practically at the same time, interacting with the biggest name in the world of communication and public relations. And guys, trust me, for me personally, if I would have been a student, the best part was networking with the right people in the industry. That is what SCORE gives you. And of course, if you're getting trained by the industry top players, imagine they are not just training you for a job, but they are training you to have an amazing career. And that's why SCORE is able to promise 100% job guarantee to all their students with the best starting salary package in the industry with the top PR firms in our country. I said so much about School of Communication and Reputation, but let me ask the dean of the college that what is his plan and how is it possible for him to do it all?
So what you saw right now about training in the industry of communication and about the School of Communication and Reputation, the mind behind that is Mr. Hemant, who is the Dean of School of Communication and Reputation. So Hemant, there's one difficult question I'm going to ask you. There are a lot of institutes out there. How you think SCORE stands out and how you can assure the students that what they're going to learn here, as we saw practically, and I'm here at the event looking at your students being getting hands-on practical networking. From you, what's your idea about SCORE and how you train your students?
The whole idea about setting up SCORE was to get the industry to train the next set of youngsters who will enter the industry. What happens generally in PR education is that it's mixed with other domains of communications like advertising, marketing, branding. But PR is a very unique field. It's very fascinating. It's very rewarding. It's a very exciting and dynamic field, and it's growing at a faster rate than any other field of communication. And it's very unique. So we need very unique style of training. We need very experiential learning, and that's exactly what we provide here at SCORE. We make sure that we treat students as PR professionals from day one. We give them the skills that will help them be really effective in their work right from the beginning. We also make sure that they get a job when they graduate, and not just any job, but some of the best jobs in the PR industry right now. And we also ensure that we give them the training that will help them continue to grow really fast. So some of our alumni, for example, have been promoted at a faster rate than anybody else in the industry. So the whole idea about this institution was to make sure that the entire PR sector comes together to train people, to groom them, to mentor them, and to provide them these learning opportunities that you've seen here at Praxis.
This is not it, guys. Let me tell you about something really, really special which SCORE offers is the scholarship. Imagine you are worried about paying your fees and you're coming from some remote part of the country and hesitate to enter this field. Guys, trust me, I saw this in the event where they got lakhs of scholarship from the top PR agencies in our country. Yes, there are agencies who are funding the students if they are really capable of doing things. So they have to enroll for the scholarship, and when they get selected, they get amazing scholarship up to 2 lakh rupees. And this is blessing for many of the students. Guys, it's been years that I'm helping students to get in the world of public relation and communication where there is not much of an awareness, but students want to get into this industry, but there are some of them facing some kind of financial issues. This is really an amazing opportunity for all of you guys. So you can reach out to SCORE directly. There's a link in the description box. Click on that, ask for the scholarship if you are facing any of this issue. And if you're talented, you might get your whole fee sponsored. इससे ज़्यादा भी कुछ हो सकता है क्या? Indeed, yes. One of the best convocation I have ever seen for the students. Imagine getting your convocation in front of the industry leader. Your name has been announced on the stage. You are getting your certificate in front of the industry experts, and this is the right time that you go reach out to the people and connect. And yes, SCORE does the convocation of the previous batch every year at Praxis. So I feel this is a great thing that an institute can do. And especially being a media mentor, I would say, guys, if you want to get into the media industry, it's really important to get in an institute that gives you an hands-on practical. And after looking at this, what do you think about SCORE? Do let me know in the comment box below. And if you're thinking that why am I talking so much about a School of Communication and Reputation, because guys, when I personally recommended students and got a feedback that ma'am, thank you for recommending this college, I feel grateful, I feel thankful that yes, there indeed exist institutes that are really helping students to make their career, not just giving them degrees. So that is my honest opinion. Rest guys, you will find all the details in the description box how to reach out to the college directly. And if you have any question, please do let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.